small token of our appreciation for these four gentlemen who are, some of them are part of Garifuna All Star, and Nuru, the name speaks for itself. What can I tell you guys about Nuru that we don't know already? The one and only.
So we have a City of Los Angeles proclamation, certificate of recognition for Chris Arana. So Chris Arana, welcome to the stage. On behalf of U9 Council District and Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United as GAHFU, in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world, thank you for working with GAHFU Garifuna Street Fest in sharing the richness of our culture. Best wishes and much success on all your future endeavors. Signed November 17, 2019 by Corin D. Price Jr., Council Member of the 9th District. Mr. Chris Arana, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a certificate of recognition from the City of Los Angeles. Again, it reads, on behalf of the new 9th Council District and Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United, GAHFU, in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world. Thank you for working with GAHFU Garifuna Street Fest in sharing the richness of our culture. Best wishes and much success on all your future endeavors. Thanks.
Thank you, LA. Thanks, Los Angeles.
Signed by Corin D. Price, Council Member of the 9th District. And now, the one and only Nuru. That's right. The legend, ladies and gentlemen. Ambassador of the Garifuna music. Alright, Mr. Nuru, we have a City of Los Angeles proclamation, certificate of recognition. Mr. Nuru, on behalf of the new Council District and Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United with GAHFU, in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world. Thank you for working with GAHFU Garifuna Street Fest in sharing the richness of our culture. Best wishes and much success on all your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ellis Nuru, signed by Corin D. Price, Councilman of 9th District. Any kind words?
Before you say anything, Nuru, I just wanna make sure people know that not only is he getting the recognition certificate from the City of Los Angeles, Nuru and Paula are also receiving a proclamation from the City of Los Angeles, making them, for him, the musical ambassador of Belize. And for Paula, the woman Garifuna ambassador of the culture, of the Garifuna culture. So let's give it up to them. And these guys are talented. They make the culture continue to move forward. With the music is like the oral history passed on.
Hey, I'd like to say good evening. I'd like to say thank you all. And I also would like to encourage you all to support it a little bit more. All right? We want to make sure that the generation that's coming after us can do even more things that we are doing right now. All right? So with that, I'm going to say that we're going to rock on and make sure that you get as much pictures as you can get and share them, all right? Everybody, is that ready? Everybody good? Everybody good? Everybody good? All right. We'd like to say thanks to GAHFU. We'd like to say thanks to all the people who host us, who actually make this show possible. Without them, it's not going to be possible, all right? So we'd like to say thank you all, and let's party.